Hello everyone, this is Tahir Razak and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Tahir Razak. Today's topic is rule number 10 from 150 Golden Rules of English. What is rule number 10? Rule number 10 is related to determiners few. How many determiners of few in English language? There are three fews in English language. What are they? Few, afew and the few. What's the difference between them? Few means almost nil. It's a negative sense. Afew. Afew means some or small in number, positive sense. And the few means small in number, but all that are there, specific sense. Let's discuss these three. Few. Few means almost nil, negative sense. Afew. Some or small in number, positive sense. The few, my students, my dear students, the few, small in number, but all that are there, specific sense. For example, he feels lonely because he has dash friends. Where is the clue? Lonely is the clue as well as after blank, friends is the clue. Lonely is a negative sense, and for negative sense we use few, not a few or the few. So correct sentence will be he feels lonely because he has few friends, means almost nil. He feels lucky because he has dash friends. Clues are lucky and after blank clue is friends. So lucky is a positive sense. So he feels lucky because he has a few friends. A few friends means some friends, small in number friends that are small in number. The third one is dash friends that I have are very sincere to me. Clue is that I have. That I have is a clause, adjective or relative clause. Adjective or a relative clause because this clause describes the friend noun. When few plus noun is modified by an adjective clause or adjective phrase, we use specific few, that is the few. So the few friends that I have are very sincere to me. So there are three fews: few, a few, the few. Few means almost negative sense. A few, small in number, some, positive sense. And the third one, the few, small in number, but all that are there, specific sense. Let's discuss more. Let's practice this rule. Questions for practice, rule number 10. Question number 1. Carefully read dash books you have. The clue is you have, and that is hidden. Relative pronoun that is hidden in this case, that is adjective or relative clause. So books are specific. If books are specific, we will use the few. The few means small in number, but all that are there. And the few has specific sense. And the clue is that you have or you have. So correct answer is Charlie. Carefully read the few books you have, that you have. Question number 2. Luckily, I can give you dash books. Where is the clue? Luckily. And after blank books, there are two clues. Luckily, positive. Books, positive. So the positive answer will be a few. A few means some or small in number and has positive sense. So correct answer will be luckily I can give you a few books. Sentence number 3. Luckily he has dash enemies. Two clues. Luckily, that is positive sense, and after blank enemies, negative sense. So positive or negative means negative. So we can make it here negative sense because negative or negative makes positive sense. So few, alpha is the best option. So correct sentence will be Luckily, he has few enemies. Few means almost nil. That's why the writer is saying luckily. Question number 4. The cathedral was one of Dutch buildings not destroyed in the war. Not destroyed in the war is a clue. It's an adjective or adjective phrase or adjective clause modifying buildings. So buildings is specific. So which option is the correct one? Definitely you will say Charlie option, the few. The few is has a specific sense, means small in number, but all that are there. If you want to get this kind of useful information, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.